Good to see you. In this video, we are going to discuss the various ways in which you can safeguard yourself against dishonest PC technicians. Before enlisting the services of a computer repair professional, it is critical to exercise caution and conduct relevant background research. Technicians who lack ethical standards could overcharge for their services, try to sell you repairs that aren't essential, or even steal your personal information. The following is a guide that will help you avoid unethical PC technicians. Do your homework. Before you hire a technician, you should make sure to do some research on their reputation as well as their qualifications. Look for internet reviews, make sure to ask for references, and verify that they have the appropriate certification. A qualified technician will have the expertise and abilities necessary to correctly diagnose and repair your computer, and they will also be more likely to be honest and upfront about the services that they provide. Consider getting a second opinion. If you are unsure about the diagnosis or repair recommendations provided by a technician, you should think about getting a second opinion from a different professional or a reliable source. By doing so, you can increase the likelihood that the information you are receiving is true and that you are not being taken advantage of. Be aware of sales practices that involve excessive levels of pressure. There is a possibility that the technician would try to sell you services that are either unnecessary or costly. Be wary if a technician tries to rush you into making a decision or buying something without giving you enough time to think about it first. It is essential that you make the effort to thoroughly comprehend what the issue is with your computer and what needs to be done in order to rectify the situation. Don't give out any personal information, and be cautious about what information you divulge about yourself with a technician. Do not reveal your login passwords or any critical personal information to a technician unless you are confident in their abilities and trust them completely. A trustworthy technician should be able to repair your computer without needing access to any of your personal information. Make use of your common sense. If something appears too good to be true, or if you feel uneasy with a technician's actions or advice, trust your intuition and look for another specialist to collaborate with. It is crucial to feel secure and at ease with the technician you hire because it is preferable to err on the side of caution than to admit defeat. By adhering to these guidelines, you can shield yourself from dishonest PC technicians and acquire the assistance you require without encountering any difficulties. When looking for a technician, it is essential to keep in mind the significance of conducting research and trusting one's instinct. We appreciate you watching.